This is mainly for Danielle. I think she's done this before. But we have some more that needs to be done. You go to tracking down here, and this will come up with what needs to be done. Of course, you fill in the star when it's been done. And if you recall, you start with the internet number. Go to SKU Grid. Put it in. That gives us the eBay ID. Search for that. We sold this 4 times, so we want to go with, well, none of it's been filled in yet, so we're going to do the first one. For future ones, we're going to want to make sure that the latest one is done. Alright, so we got it for $44.97 on January 28th. See, I already forgot what I said. I think I said $42.97. $44.97. Let's get the order number while we're here. And the comments, now we haven't changed this yet, but we're going to want to know what account it's under. I need to change that one of these days. But that's what needs to be done. And we've got several more to do. Don't forget to go back and put a little fill in the star. So we've got some work cut out for you.